The biggest mistake most people make is thinking that they have to do something radical with their diet or training strategy to lose weight and keep it off. And I get it. Most fitness experts will tell you what? Move more, eat less, right? So it's easy to fall in that trap and think that way, right? When it's the most common advice that's being given out there. But if eating less and moving more guaranteed lasting weight loss, then everyone who followed that advice would be walking around with six packs, right? How many people do you actually know that have followed that advice only to fluctuate with their weight for years? So eat less, move more can't possibly be the best way to get in your best shape, and make that your default, make that your norm. So how do you actually lose weight and keep it off long term? Well, first of all, understand that the best diet is the one that you can see yourself doing several years from now. And for most of us who have demanding, busy lives, the eat less, move more model is just simply unrealistic. Okay? At least not for a lengthy period of time, right? It's fine to do little sprints, but only after you've built up the habits and the consistency to lead to a balanced life that consistently leads to predictable and sustainable weight loss over the long term. That's what you're gonna have to fall back on most of the time, especially if you have a hectic schedule that requires a lot of your time and energy. And so really, the ticket to winning the game here is to figure out the minimal effective dose, right? Make those small manageable tweaks each and every week to your nutrition, your activity, your training, your lifestyle, whatever. Changes that you can live with, so that over time, you stack up the evidence that small wins do lead to big victories, which is the secret to developing long-term habits and the mind shifts required to sustain the result. That's what's going to lead to the long-term result that you want, okay? And then from that place, sure, push on the gas once in a while, right? If you want to do a short burst and you want to accelerate the results, go for it. But you need to find a system or a process that gives you results over and over and simple long term. If not, there's always going to be competing interests. You're going to try to go too fast too soon, and then getting in shape is going to be other things that you value, like your work and your family time.